Hi, welcome to everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to change the administrator password using command prompt. This can be really handy if you have forgotten your admin password or need to update it for security reasons. First, open command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar, then right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Once command prompt is open, type the following command, net, then space, then type user. Here you can change any your user account password. Now I am going to change administrator password, so I type, net user, administrator, then space type star. Press enter, and it will prompt you to enter a new password. Please note that as you type your new password, you will not see any characters or feedback on the screen. This is normal for security reasons. Just type your password and press enter. Now successfully changed password. Let's verify that the password change was successful. Type net user administrator, then press enter. It will display the user account information, and you should see that the password has been changed. That's it. You have successfully changed the administrator password using command prompt. Remember to keep your new password in a safe place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, goodbye.